Hello students, in the previous videos of this chapter electricity we studied about the current, the reason for current, and we also studied about the electric potential and potential difference and what does it mean. So till now we have studied current I, which is given as rate of flow of charge, its unit is ampere. We studied potential, which is the work done in bringing a charge from one point to another point. This is its unit is volt V. Now in this video I will give you some more set of symbols that we are going to use in the circuits of this chapter. When we explain the circuit, when we study about the circuit and various laws, we will use those symbols. So you should know what those symbols are. They are also given in your book. I will quickly explain them. Now one of the symbols, this symbol is the symbol of a cell. It is a cell. This is the positive part, positive terminal of the cell, anode. This is the negative terminal of the cell, cathode. So this is a cell. If I combine more than one cells together like this, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive and negative terminals, if I combine the cells one after the other like this, then we call it a battery. So a battery is a combination of more than one cells. Now another symbol is this one. This is the symbol of a switch which is open. That means it is in off condition. So this is an open switch. It is in off condition. Right now this symbol is for off. This is the closed switch. See, closed switch, and if we put a dot in the middle, it means that the switch is closed or it is in on condition. Another symbols, common symbol that you can find in the books is that this is also a switch in open condition and this is a switch in the closed condition. We took this switch and we put it like this. This is a switch in on condition or the closed switch. These are two wires, two conductors, and if they are like this, it means that these wires are joined. So these are joined wires. But if we have two conductors like this, if this is the symbol, then it is wires are not touching each other. The wire, these two wires are not touching each other. So there is no joint in the wire. This is a symbol of a electric bulb. This is a symbol of a resistor. In this chapter we will later study what is a resistor. This is a symbol of variable resistor. So resistor is a device, it is used for a particular function inside a circuit. We will study that later in this chapter. So this is a resistor device and this is that same resistor but its value we can vary. So it is a variable resistor. This is also called a variable resistor, is also called rheostat. R-H-E-O-S-T-A-T, rheostat. Then we have certain other devices. This is an ammeter. An ammeter is used to measure the current, value of current inside a circuit. This is a voltmeter. Another device, it is used to calculate, to find out the voltage or the potential difference between any 2 points in a circuit. So these are the most commonly used symbols, and if we come across more symbols in the chapter then I will explain them at that time. So make sure that you understand these symbols. Now in the next video we will study about Ohm's law. So till now whatever we have studied, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Once all the doubts are clear, we will proceed to the next topic, Ohm's law. So read the chapter first before I start, read the chapter, read the Ohm's law first, and then we will explain it. I will start with a circuit and will explain how a current flows in the circuit.